Hi everyone, welcome to my kitchen. My name is Jackie, and on my channel I try to come up with quick, easy, and delicious recipes that the whole family will enjoy. So today I'm making one of my kids' favorites. I'm making French toast. Stay tuned for the recipe. So in my bowl I'm adding 3 eggs, 3/4 cups of milk, and I'm using cashew milk, but any kind of milk will do, 1 teaspoon of brown sugar, about a half a teaspoon of cinnamon, a dash of salt, and a dash of nutmeg, but this is optional, so if you don't have it, that's fine. The cinnamon has a similar flavor. And now I'm going to whisk this all together. We really like French toast in my house, so when I make it, I usually make a good amount so that I can freeze a lot of it. They make a great quick breakfast item in a hurry. I'm using some light rye bread because I like a thick, hearty bread so that it's less likely to break apart when I put it into the egg mixture. So I'm just dipping each slice, making sure that I cover both sides. This is some marble rye bread here, and I'm going to use this to finish off the batter. So I was able to get about 10 slices with this batter. I have my frying pan on medium heat and I'm adding enough butter to cover the pan. I'm going to fry each slice for about 3 minutes on each side. You see how nice and brown the edges are? That's exactly how we like them. And here they are, all done. I have them on my cooling rack so that I don't get them soggy, and then I can put them in some freezer bags and place them in the freezer for a couple of weeks. With a drizzle of honey and some blueberries on the side, this makes for a great breakfast. Thanks for watching and take care.